do you feel before learning radicals?
Radicals.
What's a radical anyway?
Funny that you ask. Radical is the formal word for what we call square root, which is that symbol. And you can find it of the square root, the cubed root, the fourth root, and higher.
Whoa.
To find the domain, first you have to have a number greater than or equal to 0 under the radical.
Like this?
No. The domain is restricted because negative numbers can't go under the radical. For example, in this problem we have f of x equals 3x minus 12. If we take 3x minus 12 and make it greater than or equal to 0, we would then add 12 to both sides and we would get 3x greater than or equal to 12. We would divide both sides by 3 and we would get x is greater than or equal to 4. Therefore, the domain is including 4 to infinity. Here's a trick to help you with domain. If there's an even index, which are the numbers above the radicals, the exponents above the radicals, the domain would be 0 to infinity. If it's an odd index, such as 3, it would be negative infinity to infinity.
Okay, so to evaluate radicals, you want to take numbers out of them evenly. So first, out of 81, you would take 3, and that would give you 27, and then you can take 3 out of that again, which would be 9, and then it would be 3 and 3 again. And since it's 81 radical 2, you want to put them into pairs of 2's. So 3 root 3 would be equal to the square root of 81, and that is 9 is equal to the square root of 81.
And that's how you solve radicals.
How you feel after learning radicals?